Hello, this is Tony Abatangelo from the Vegas Lawyers. A little free advertising there. 2020 started. We're doing the year in review, meaning 2019. Some of our highlights and some of our cases where people may or may not have thought things all the way through when they were conducting their actions. So my first one, a bit of advice is, if you get in a fight with somebody, don't throw them off the second floor balcony. You're gonna look like the bad guy. So our case is with a nice young lady. The boyfriend is a con man, comes over to the house, or apartment, I should say. Our client's cousin's there, gets in a fight with the con man. And even though he's a con men still have rights. You can't throw somebody off the second floor balcony. So me and the other attorney representing this people said, look, it's no big deal. He caught himself. He didn't really fall that far. It wasn't a big deal. It's not even hurt. But Tony Abatangelo here, letting you know from the Vegas Lawyers, Red Chim Studios, don't throw people off the balcony, second floor or above. Nothing good's gonna happen. That reminds me of a story when I was younger. Picked up the guy literally by his belt pants. It was the greatest. It was the 90s. You could do stuff like this. 1, 2, they threw his ass out the door, off the porch, and into the dirt. It was the greatest. But that's okay, because that was just off the porch. So Mason, that's a good point. You can throw people off their first floor, because that's just shoving them. But never off the second floor. Bad idea. It just doesn't look good throwing somebody off the balcony, even if they deserve it. Well, this was battery with substantial bodily harm. He said he broke his ankle, but we proved otherwise. He said attempt murder. I'm like, nobody's trying to kill anybody. We're just breaking up a fight. He's con man. He got thrown over the balcony. Big deal. It's a balcony. I've jumped out of second story windows before, third story, but nobody tried to charge me with attempt murder. Well, it just depends on what happens. If you throw somebody off a balcony and they land on their head, that's a problem. You want to think these things through. So what we said, and we even got the guy, the victim, we'll call him, to admit, is that when they tossed him over the balcony, he grabbed the railing and he let himself down. What's the big deal? It's just, it's like jumping over a fence. And you get on the top, you just let yourself down. It's easy. Not a big deal.
Lawyer up. TheVegasLawyers.com. Lawyer up.